Hello YouTube, welcome back to MetaLab Life. Today, we're going to talk about something crucial, hepatitis B. Specifically, we'll be going through the procedures for a hepatitis B rapid test. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our health-related content. Let's get started. Introduction to hepatitis B. Before we discuss the test procedures, let's briefly understand what hepatitis B is. Hepatitis B is a viral infection that attacks the liver and can cause both acute and chronic diseases. It's a major global health problem and the most serious type of viral hepatitis. Importance of rapid testing. Why is rapid testing important? Well, early detection of hepatitis B can make a significant difference in managing and treating the infection. That's where rapid tests come in handy. They provide quick results, enabling timely medical intervention. Let's move on to the practical part. Here's what you'll need for the rapid test. Hepatitis B rapid test kit, clean surface or a tray, gloves, timer or clock. Make sure you carefully read the instructions provided with your test kit. Conducting the test. Open the test kit and take out the test device. Place a few drops of the provided buffer solution into the sample well. Using the lancet included in the kit, prick your fingertip to obtain a small blood sample. Carefully add the blood sample to the sample well with the buffer solution. Start the timer as instructed in the kit, waiting for results. While waiting for the results, it's essential to follow the recommended waiting time mentioned in the instructions. This is typically around 15 to 20 minutes. Use this time to properly dispose of the used materials and maintain cleanliness. Interpreting results. Once the waiting time is over, it's time to check the results. Most test kits will have a control line and a test line. A presence of both lines usually indicates a positive result. However, the absence of the test line may indicate a negative result. It's crucial to carefully follow the guidelines provided with your specific test kit. Conclusion. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to conducting a hepatitis B rapid test. Remember, if you receive a positive result, consult with a healthcare professional immediately for further testing and guidance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with those who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content.